Alright. Doing pads and rotors on this 2001 Chevy Silverado. This is for the rear. I'm using a 12mm ratchet wrench to get the bolts off for the caliper. This is for the caliper itself, and then we'll have to take the bolts out for the caliper bracket. There's that. Let's take alright, we got an 18mm. Take the caliper bracket off. Maybe. I don't know. Baby's on there. Whew.
You good?
Guess we'll have to get the breaker bar. Alright, let me get the breaker bar. Alright, got a pipe here for leverage. Let's see if we can't break this loose. Ooh, damn. Alright. Okay. Those things are on there. Pretty damn good. Alright, there's the first one. I already got the other one broken loose. Alright, there's the second one. There's your caliper bracket. Brakes really ain't, they're definitely not working correctly. As you can see, this pad's still got quite a bit of meat left on it. This pad does not. It's actually getting down to the steel. You might have to, my truck's e-brake's all messed up, so you might have to adjust your e-brake to get these calipers off. I mean the rotors, my bad. To get the rotors off. But my truck does not have an e-brake, so mine just come right off nicely. As you can see, it's chewing this rotor right up. Alright. Got the new rotors. They're the Duralast Gold. Get that on there. Take these old clips off. Caliper bracket. Put the new ones in. remember which way they go. Just like that. Wow. There we go. Alright, there's those brackets. And then, up in your caliper, you have this other bracket that you gotta change out as well.
You couldn't see it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was up too high. So I was moving it up so you could actually see it.
Oh, well, thank you.
Give me that look.
Just goes in there like that. Ah, damn it. Just like that. Goddamn dirt getting all over everything. Okay. Stick the pads in. Maybe. Maybe we'll get the new pads in. Let's see. Okay. There's one.
Wait,
Grab me those other two pads.
where are they?
Right there. Alright, no. Okay, I just had to look. And what's the other one look like? Okay, so they all have the metal piece that lets you know when your pad's getting low.
Yeah.
Alright. Get this one in.
Holy shit.
Okay. Slide this on. Just like that. Put the bolts back in for the bracket. Some white lithium grease. Maybe they'll go in better. All right. And get these tightened up. We'll have to take a C-clamp. Put one in here, one right here. We need to push this piston back in flush so we can go back over these brand new pads. when you do that, you might take your brake fluid reservoir cap off. You might need to take a little bit of fluid out from the reservoir itself, because when your brake pads get lower, you usually need to add more brake fluid to keep up with the right height. So when you're putting new pads in, it's pushing all that fluid back up because the pads are so much bigger. So you might need to suck a little bit out of the reservoir so it's not too high. Alright, I'm gonna go get my C-clamp and I'll be right back. Alright, can't find my C-clamp, but I do have this wood clamp. You just put it from here to here. You just keep squeezing. You can see the piston going in. You just keep doing that until it's nice and flush and flat. As far as it'll go. I'm thinking that's it right there. Take it off. Always make sure the rubber gasket in here isn't all folded up. Make sure it's in there right. Spray that. Not even on it.
You could see it still, just not as well as you'd like.
Can you see all this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just when you're up there more.
Okay.
It's harder to see.
Alright, now we'll put the caliper back on. We'll grab our 12mm. Get it nice and snug. We don't need to over tighten these. There you go. And then just gonna repeat the same process on the other side. And then when you're done, you should take some brake cleaner, spray your rotors, get all the fingerprints and grease and dirt off of them. And then when you finish, go in, start your truck, pump the pedal a few times, and then check your brake fluid and see if you need to take any out or add. You should have to take it out though. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. Like the video if it helps you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you want to see some future videos, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.